Now is the time for purpose. All right, everybody, coming to you from the car today. I've realized that the acoustics in this thing are awesome, and it allows me to get fill some of this void time through the day, shooting some content to bring it to everyone. So, like I always say, like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications of everything coming soon. And today I just wanted to talk about, with all this craziness going on, you're gonna hear me mention a lot more about the craziness that's going on in the world. But with all this craziness, it hit me today. You know, I know why I'm spending time on these YouTube videos. I know why I love making these. I have a lot of purpose behind this, driving me to make videos, you know, because I'm really compelled, and a purpose of mine is to inspire people around me, you know, share a good, positive attitude, and try to infect as many people around me with that. You know, attitudes are contagious. You know, bad attitudes are contagious. Good attitudes are contagious. And in times that are as crazy as this is right now, I want to infect as many people as possible with a positive outlook, a positive spin on the situation, a positive way to attack this and move forward, make your business better, come out on the other side better, have nothing but ups. I'm making this in the car, and, you know, I like that because now I got people walking by looking at me like I'm crazy. It's funny. But so that's really my purpose. You know, my purpose is to build a team, like just in the business. I want to inspire people around me. I want to build a team of like-minded people that are wanting to drive into making things better for others. And it's just such a powerful purpose. And right now, you know, we need people being positive, and you need purpose. Your purpose will help keep pushing you. You know, I talk about purpose a million times before, and this is the situation. If you weren't down before, this is a situation that requires purpose. You know, you lose track of what's going on because you get so wrapped up in watching the news and looking at all the bad things that are going on. You know, your purpose will keep you pushing forward, will keep you driving, will keep you from wavering. These weird situations and in business and in your life, it makes you question everything you're doing. This whole COVID thing, it just makes you question whether you're making the wrong decisions. Was I not well enough prepared for this going in? Was I overly prepared for this? Is my business a good business model? Just all it does is make you question stuff. And without any kind of purpose, you can just let that eat away at you, and you stop moving forward. One of the most important things is to continue moving forward. Define your purpose. Figure out what that is. What is it that you're shooting for? You know, if you're sitting at home and you've got some extra time, if your business has been, whatever it is that you do has been deemed non-essential, if where you work is non-essential right now and you are sitting at home just drawing unemployment, don't be drawing unemployment and not working on yourself. Figure out what your purpose is. Figure out what drives you. Figure out what you want to do, what you want to become, what kind of family and life you want to build, and use that as a purpose to make you drive forward through this, to keep you pushing, to keep you motivated towards everything in your life and everything that you want to build. Now is a time to find your purpose, educate yourself, become better, become healthier, become more mentally healthy. You know, there's so many things that you can do to push forward, use your purpose, and in a time like this, get the wheels turning so it can up your positivity, and you can go infect and inspire some other people with a positive attitude. You know, everything we can do to share positivity, to share the bright side of things, to share the good spin on life, because you can spin any situation towards the bad or towards the good. And it really determines how things are going to go for you depending on the direction of your spin. Everyone, thank you for watching this. I hope, this is going to drop on Saturday. We're into the crisis. We're midway through all the crazy stuff happening. And, I've been talking to a lot of different type of business owners, doing a lot of different things. And a lot of people are starting to look at the opportunity in this. Don't be someone that's just looking at all the negative things in this and all the bad that can happen. You will get so caught up and so consumed by the bad in the news. It just does this, and it'll cover your eyes, and it will blind you to the opportunities that will lie right in front of you. Have an amazing Saturday, everybody. Thank you for spending this time with me. If you liked this message, share this. Share this and comment on this and subscribe to this channel so you can help me fulfill my purpose, which is inspiring other people. Everyone, thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon.